Today we are unboxing a smart digital table clock. I ordered this from the Amazon for about 499. If you are interested and would like to buy, the link is in description. So here is our table clock. It's lightweight. They added a feedback note in the product as well. Material is completely plastic and it's in matte. Now let's get on with starting the watch. On the right there is an alarm on and off switch. Then there is 12 hours and 24 hours switch. In the center there is a minute and date switch, and afterwards there is an hour switch. On the left there is one switch, but it has 4 functions: lot, set alarm, set date and set time. Whichever option you turn on the switch with, center keys with function accordingly. In the center there is a small switch of sensors as well. Let's open up the cell panel. It has 3 cells requirement in order to function. Let's go get our cells. I take too much time in putting those cells, so let's speed up the process. The clock is on and running now. It looks like there is no turn on and off switch. Its sensors are located on top of the watch, as you can see. It also has a switch to turn on light. If you have censored off, you still can turn on light by clicking that switch. The switch on the top functions in 2 ways. It can turn on light and also it can snooze the alarm as well. These are the 3 keys that we are going to use to set up the time. You can turn off the sensors. It will save you some battery life. Let's speed up the process of setting up time. Now it's all set. Here's our watch ready to tell time. If you're interested in purchasing, the link is in description. There are other models as well similar to this watch. You can browse around. There is one that comes with a charging function as well, similar model. I will put a link of that watch in the description as well, so go check it out. This is the most budget friendly digital watch on Amazon you can get on this size, so go check it out. Let me know in the comments what type of unboxing videos you like to see in the future, and see you in next video.